At a time when it seems the price of everything is going up, now add car insurance payments to that list. One frustrated Memphian writing to WREG, auto insurance up 18% since 6 months ago. Maybe related to the number of auto thefts, carjackings. Is it time to move out of the area, or can we actually solve some crime issues? Just another consequence.
She woke up the next morning and it was gone.
As WREG investigators recently reported, according to Memphis police, there were 12,555 motor vehicle thefts last year, with nearly 10,000 the year before. And only around 1 in 10 of those cases are ever solved.
There's any number of variables.
Michael Barry is with the Insurance Information Institute. He says crimes like car thefts can cause a hike in insurance rates.
The insurer does account for where you live as one of the variables, not only your driving record, but what are the vandalism and theft trends in your community. That has an impact on what you pay for auto insurance as well. But there was the Kia and Hyundai thefts, certain models being stolen to the point where 2 name brand auto insurers were not taking on new customers in certain American cities. So it was one of these things where it had reached a point.
He says similar increases are going on in many large cities.
There's a couple of reasons for this. There's costlier accidents. There are costlier replacement costs. There's excessive litigation going on. You have natural disasters in certain states.
If you live in an area where there are hurricanes, floods, or tornadoes, you may also pay more to protect your ride. And then the pandemic didn't help.
The pandemic created a lot of supply chain disruptions for auto parts and for vehicles themselves, which further added to the costs that auto insurers take on.
And while there are some things you can't control when it comes to your vehicle insurance rates, you can save yourself some dollars.
With the older vehicles, you can probably save by dropping the collision coverage if your vehicle is 10 years older. If you have a $500 deductible, and if you're in a position to do so, see if you can raise it to $1,000. That can oftentimes result in premium savings.
You can also shop around and compare policies, bundle insurance coverage, having auto, home, and life with the same insurer, and look for discounts like having a student with a high GPA on your policy. And yes, while reducing auto thefts can help, he says that alone may not push your premiums back down. That's when you can do your homework. The Insurance Information Institute provides other tips for savings on their website and also explanations of terms. Because when it comes to insurance, it's something that's great to have, but also doesn't have to break the bank.
If you feel as though you're paying too much, there are a lot of opportunities out there to find another carrier who may be able to offer you the same level of coverage at a lower price.
April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3 Investigators.